Welcome to the Empire Review, where we talk about what we've done in the past, what we're doing right now, and what we're going to be doing in the future. Let's do this now. Am I pointing too much? Hi, I'm Arnie. I am the professional dog walker here at HydroEmpire.com. Hi, I'm Arnie, and I'm one of a few people here at HydroEmpire.com that pretty much does whatever we need to make sure that you guys have a really great experience. I'm really excited, guys. This is our first episode where we're going to bring you new product announcements, industry news, and updates about what's going on at Hydro Empire. Let's talk about some new products. Mammoth P. So Mammoth P, it's got beneficial microbes, okay? It helps the root system. It also helps inoculate. And rumor has it from a lot of our grower friends, it actually helps you with increased yields. Mammoth P. Next up is Procidic and Procidic 2. Procidic and Procidic 2 are both organic fungicides, but Procidic 2 is made for the cannabis industry. Boom. Last but not least, Clonex Root Maximizer is a Mycorrhizae product to enhance your roots. The Root Maximizer is a granular formula. It also comes in soluble, and it can also be paired with Mammoth P. This actually has living microorganisms in here. They're alive. That's so cool. They're sensitive to certain cultural practices. That's hilarious. Whoever wrote this, you guys are very clever. And now for the industry news update. We're in a really exciting time right now with all the buzz happening, with everything going recreational on January 1. It's like, cool, here's this shiny new toy, but you're not allowed to play with it. So what exactly is going on? We're constantly getting updates, and we're going to bring those updates right to you. Definitely follow our Instagram. As much as we like to post cool things about, shout outs to our favorite peeps out there, we also post really great news information for you guys that we curate. We've got an announcement to make. We have a new website. And the theme for our new website is all about speed. We're faster, we're way more mobile friendly, and now we're offering Amazon Pay to make that experience even faster. Check us out, www.hydroempire.com. So, what else are we working on? We now have a commercial growers program. Basically, it's a VIP program built just for you. We're calling it the White Glove Service with Green Thumbs. We're gonna get you really competitive pricing, hard to find items, and get it there quickly. We're really good about sourcing these things fast. If we don't have it, we can get it. Give us a call, 800-843-5580, and I want you to ask for John. I had to. Let's jump into community shoutouts. Big shout out to Tim and Rebecca from Canyon Farms. We see what you guys did and we really appreciate it. Thanks for sharing the love. Community, community, community. Shout out goes to Big Joe. We see you. Thanks, man. Thanks for showing the love. So that sums us up, guys. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter to get cool information, great discounts and promo items and announcements. We're on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, YouTube, you name it, we're there. Like, smash the subscribe button, do what you gotta do to follow us, but we're gonna give you the best content ever. Ever. See you next time. Hi, I'm Arnie. Can we talk for a second? Let's get started. Let's dance. We're going to dance. Can we go with that?
Yeah.
Again, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Arnie. I clean the windows here at HydroEmpire.com. Hi, I'm Arnie. I get to sign a little packing slip, and then it goes in your box, and then that box goes to you. Hi, I'm Arnie. I make a mean cup of coffee.